Are you looking for best electric coffee grinder? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric coffee grinder. Number 1. Itop 03 Electric Coffee Grinder. New Itop 03 Electric Coffee Grinder 6-core 38mm Burr Household Coffee Bean Grinder Coffee Miller VS3 Grinder for Espresso Filter. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Itop 40 Itop Titanium Burr Coffee Grinder. Inclined fuselage design makes it easier to produce flour. Inching switch. Motor speed is 550 RPM. Bean hopper capacity is 75 G. Pressable lid for reducing powder residue in the hopper. 19 files scale to adjust coffee powder fineness, suitable for both hand pour-over coffee and espresso. Hard stainless steel conical burr. Diameter is 40 mm, where resistance, corrosion resistance, high hardness. The powder cup is magnetically fixed to reduce the vibration and displacement when grinding beans. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Zelio Electric Coffee Grinder. Latest popular Zelio Electric Coffee Grinder 40mm Conical Burr Grinder Blow Hopper Titanium SS150W Coffee Bean Grinder Machine Coffee Miller. Burr store size 40mm Conical burrs. Hopper capacity 75 G. Power 150W. Weight 3.2 kilograms. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 4. BioloMix Automatic Burr Mill Electric Coffee Grinder. Durable conical burr. 40mm stainless steel conical burrs designed to minimize grinding heat and protect the essential oils in the coffee bean, creating consistent coffee grounds and optimal flavor extraction. 30 precise grinding settings. 30 precise grind settings from the finest espresso to the coarsest French press grind, easy to clean. The coffee grounds residual cleaner is good for cleaning the residual coffee grounds. Just press it. And the built-in brush, removable upper burr, hopper, and chamber for easy cleaning of the item. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 5. STARSEEKER Edge Electric Coffee Grinder. Electric coffee grinder, made of high-quality aluminum, with an overall body. It greatly extends the service life of the Burr coffee grinder. After-sales service is worry-free. The Burr electric coffee grinder has over 100 adjustable precision grinding settings. The stainless steel burr grinder produces finely and evenly ground coffee, which better preserves the aroma of coffee and helps us taste delicious coffee. High-quality burr grinding can make coffee powder more uniform. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.